So let's dive in. Let's look at products more in depth. Let's go to product search. And so I was just showing you that camera, wasn't I? I did CCTV, and I filled out, and so the smart score here, low monthly search volume, which especially low numbers and compelling sellers. So competing sellers. So this is some weird. It's not weird. It's worked out that the higher this number is, the better for your search. The score is from 1 to 100. It shows a relationship between the number of times a keyword is searched for and how many sellers include that keyword in their listing. You want high demand and low number of sellers, right? So I'm an ex-security technician. I used to fit burglar alarms and cameras for a living. That's why I just typed in CCTV. So if you wanted to start a CCTV shop or something like that, you could. And all of a sudden, these are hot products that are selling on Shopify stores across the world. So you can see, if you pick out something here, I don't know what that little tree is. Is that like a currency? Like this one, wireless HD 720 pan. So this can sit on your desk and turn and move. And post product monthly revenue on that website is 11,755, right? So I can jump to that website and I can see this camera is doing 11,000 a month. How they're marketing it, the pictures, there's no description, no reviews, but this camera is selling at $65 a month on that website, right? So I could then go off and find that camera. So they're probably buying that camera for, it don't look very good, does it? That's probably a $15 camera, $20 camera max on AliExpress, and then you can sell that on your store. So you can see there's nothing crazy about how that one's been sold. Let's have a look at another one. Our wireless Wi-Fi IP spec. Again, wireless. This is exactly what it is. It's $100. There's a little bit more information. Look. So let's just see how much is that one doing. It's this one, right? 18,000 a month. Product monthly revenue. Product price $100. Right? Again. More HD. Here's information, so you can see how they're selling this product. How are they promoting that product? What are they showing that's getting $100 for that $15 camera? How does it work? And you can model. I think model's the word. You can model this page and say, all right, so we know that camera, and it's the actual same website, isn't it, as this one? It's that ZCHM or something. It's the same website, right? ZH Cam Security. All right, but they didn't sell that one. They didn't go mad with that one. So you can see, what I'm saying is you can see products that are selling, how much they're selling for. You can go to here, the company's website. So I can look on Instagram at ZH thingy, but obviously doesn't link. That can't be them, can it? Twitter. Oh, the Twitter link didn't work on that website. But we'll come to websites because this is more product than website. But you can see through CCTV, right? What I also like was this, right? So I'm a bloke. I typed in beer. I used to run a bar called the Beer Emporium though, and I was interested in what real ale beer came up. So there's some cloud suggestions for tags that you can use up here, like beer signs or something like that. You can see the interest that it's every month. This is pretty much, people search beer all the time. What I liked was this. I was interested in this because I like beer and golf, right? So I thought I could sell that if I ran a Happy Me Golf or in my shop, or even just buying it for lads. I'm thinking that a golf beer mug is selling. What's it selling at there? 2,000. Oh no, that's an emoji. $18,000 a month. That beer mug is selling for. So I'm thinking I could source that for what it must be. That's a £2.50 mug max, and it delivered. £2.50. All right, it might take 4 weeks to deliver off AliExpress or something like that. But I can go off and source something like that. I can see the information on what's made in China. And you can go and buy 50 of them Go buy 50 of them and then sell them, $15.95. You know, really cool. I like that. You know, so beer pong tables again, 62,000 monthly revenue for Pong Caddy Deluxe. I've got to look for this. You know, $150 for a beer pong with some nets on it. I mean, these kids are crazy. I find beer pong the most disgusting thing ever because the ball drops on the floor, the kids touch it with their hands. I mean, I've seen adults play, not just kids. It's disgusting. It's like, and you have to lose to win. So you have to wait for someone to get it into your glass before you can have a drink, which I think is crazy. I just want to have a drink. So anyway, this is $150. This beer caddy. Here's the page. Here's the Shopify page. That's all they're saying. And it's making $62,000 a month in revenue. Holy smokes. So you can see the product search is really cool. Whatever your niche is, whatever you're in, and we're going to talk about niches in a second, but you can search, you know, whatever you're in. Tennis. I see tennis. I don't know why I thought of tennis when I could have put golf, right? So that one, so the last one was 32. My CCTV score was 100. So this is same with tennis. There's not as many people searching for it, and you've probably got more competitors. But when I went CCTV, I've got 100 on the score because a lot of people are looking for home security stuff, and there's maybe not that many people competing against you. I've always thought I should launch Happy Me Security. Maybe I will now because this is giving me some data that's showing me people are buying these little cheap cameras and they're willing to pay $50, $60 for them. But you just buy on AliExpress and send them. So that's really cool, right?